Kenneth from Sugarland has a question about engineered floor.
Yeah, 2 weeks ago he had some installed with the recommended underlayment, but it has not gone well. Kenneth writes, I don't believe the floor leveling was done because in a number of areas I hear popping. Besides pulling up the entire floor, having it leveled and glued down, is there an alternative? I've heard, he says, of drilling a small hole in strategic areas and injecting glue to hold it down.
Well, if he's got the underlayment in there, it's not going to glue to but the underlayment.
And then the underlayment's going to pop.
Yeah, you got so it's got to come up. If it just didn't get leveled right, that's the whole reason you level it, is so it doesn't move and break. And eventually, you'll break the tongue and the grooves of the flooring that go together.
And what's bad about that is by the time that happens, that floor may not be available, and you're going to have to replace the whole floor.
But you're going to have to replace the whole floor now anyway, and it's up between you and the installer and who you bought the floor from, who's going to kind of help you with the bill if it's doing that. But it was not leveled right. 10 feet. 1/8 of an inch or less. You can't have a gap bigger than that on a 10-foot run. You got to check it very carefully with a floating floor.
So it's not possible to pull the floor up, fix it, and put it back down?
Only if it's a snap-together floor. Okay. If it's a glued together floor, no.
Okay.
You're not going to be able to get that. You take a section of it out, but
that's worse than I thought it was.
Yeah, it's not good.
Sorry, Kenneth. All right, you got a question? We'll be able to help you out. Maybe not with a happy answer, but we'll get you the truth. We stand for the truth, right?
Fine. Yeah, sure. Okay. Oh, hey.
Okay. See what you can make Tom do. Go ahead and visit homeshowradio.com.
Wind me up in the back and see what happens. Clang, 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 clang.
Fill out the form. Send it in, please. Visit homeshowradio.com. It's right there in the middle of the homepage. It says Ask Tom on it. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live, or Sunday morning on Early Edition.